Hi there and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial, how to include or exclude part of visualization. So this is very useful. Let's say you don't want a part of the visualization not to be included or excluded. So in that case, you can remove it from the visualization or just make sure that only that part is included in the entire visualization. So we'll see how we can do that, as it is quite straightforward. But before that, just a quick information that this sheet is present within the description. So if you want to jump to any previous tutorial, you can jump directly. That is specific to Power BI. But if you want to access any of my videos that I have posted so far on my channel, you can go to this link, which is again present in the description, which is the live report, where you can search, like here in this case, we have these titles. You can search any title by unchecking here and searching the Tableau, let's say for example, and enable this just to make sure that all the Tableau related tutorial will be given to you. And with this link, you can directly jump. You can search for a specific tutorial as well. So this link is also present in the description along with the Power BI specific link. However, the Power BI is also, you can search it from here as well. Okay, so let's move on to the Power BI and see it in action. So here we are within the Power BI and we have, let's say, this visual, which I have used in my previous video as well for viewing the data of the background of the visual. Now let's see, for example, this particular part of the visualization. I don't want this particular part specifically just to show it over here. Maybe let's say that is impacting my contribution, because sometimes what happens is there is this one category which is so influencing. For example, here in this case, regular is like 50% of the data. So if you have a situation like this where you don't want a particular category to be part of the visualization because it is impacting the rest of the visualization, then you can remove it. So what you can do is right click over here, and the option is present here, include or exclude. So once you click on exclude, what you will see that only that visualization has gone, right? But the rest of the chart is not impacted. So here in this case, even in the furniture, the same visualization, part of that same visualization is present, but QPAC is not present here. So if this is what you want, you can do this by simply right clicking and say exclude. So now in this case, from furniture also, QPAC is excluded. Opposite to that is including. So if you want only this part of the visualization, which is Ontario, you want to just include that. So it will going to show you, it's pretty straightforward, like it will only show you this part of the visualization which is included as the one that you want to highlight for your users. So that's very quickly about how you want to include or how you can exclude the visualization if they are impacting your visualization a lot, or if you want to make an impact by just showing one single one, like in this case. So that's about it, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.